Hello, fancy friends. Welcome to a very special edition of vlogging. My boyfriend got me a computer to help with my YouTubing. It is from ASUS. ASUS VivoBook. So it's ASUS VivoBook that we got the laptop from. It was $379.
More about
so
what it has in it than
yeah, it's more about the capabilities of the computer. It was between getting a camera and a computer, and I thought if I get the camera, there's no way I can download any of the stuff, so why get the camera when I need the computer first? So that's what we got. So we're going to be opening this baby up right now and seeing what's inside. I don't know if anybody's gotten one of these before, and I can't find my knife, so I had to borrow a little pop-up knife. I specifically put it on my desk so I'd know where it was, and it's lost. Somehow.
First episode without this.
It is the first episode without. So when you open the box, in search of incredible. So I'm hoping it has like a card. It does have a couple cards that has some information, but it comes in even though it comes in cardboard, it comes in a duster bag. So you know that's some quality right there when it comes in the duster bag, to make sure none of the cardboard gets into the computer for the packing. So when you open up the computer, and it has another duster on the frame, we're going to leave that for right now, but when you open it up, this is the keyboard part like this, and I'm going to move the extension cord so that we can actually plug this whole thing in and see kind of what's going on with it. It doesn't give us
benefits. What are you looking for?
Like a lot of boxes, it'll say it does this, it does that. It'll say the benefits,
the features
of the product. That's what I was looking for. So I guess we're gonna have to turn the plug around and plug it in so we can see what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so we got it plugged in, and it just started up. So how exciting is that? I got a brand new computer. It's gonna help with my YouTubing so I can make all of it better for my fancy friends. I was gonna say friendly friend. I don't know what I was gonna say. But for my fancy friend squad, we're gonna make better videos for all of you out there. And I am going to do 2 videos in one day because that makeup video is just a mess. So we're gonna post this today. Oh, Katana's here to help.
Oh, well, don't worry about anything.
This so far is pretty easy. It's not complicated so far, but you never know when it could get more complicated. I don't know why I have a guest star that's not even saying anything or talking, or he's just looking. Just there. Just there in case. You know, some filler.
Moral support.
That's what you're gonna look like for the video. That's all you can do. You're still a deer in headlights. You're like,
I just can't do this. It's not. I don't know what to do. Every movement I make is under
You think somebody's scrutinizing you? You think you're gonna get a bunch of hate comments?
No, because I did it when I did the other video for my. It's just
Now let's see what's new from Windows.
I don't know.
Now let's see what's new from Windows.
Next up, the legal stuff.
The legal stuff.
You'll need to select.
Just accept.
fuck it. You're gonna accept it anyways, right?
Yeah, but we're back to the computer, and it has the Microsoft Edge, the recycling bin, some buttons at the bottom. So
Let's save Ben from being recycled. I don't want to see him killed right off.
I want to see if there's any. Oh, Dolby. Okay, so that's editing software right there, I think.
No, that's sound.
Oh. I was hoping there was like
Still might be.
editing right. I wanna go down. That's music.
That's nothing.
That's a touch ID. So this looks like some kind of mail thing. I'm so not good at computers. I don't understand how a 37-year-old can be so freaking bad at computers. It's really like crazy, like how bad I am.
I don't know any 37-year-olds.
Microsoft Store. I wonder if I can search for like iMovie. I wonder if it's like I can get apps or what.
Well, since it's not a Apple computer, isn't iMovie an Apple like program?
So should I put like video editor?
Yeah. You're gonna wanna find the best Windows video editor out there.
So I think this is like a store. It is a Microsoft store, so I think that I can. Oh, it has my Pixar that I use. I use this program to do my thumbnails and stuff like that. So that's definitely one of the programs.
Bought it.
Okay, so right now it's very hard to see the screen, but it took the information from my phone, like some of the apps, and it's already installing them into the computer, the ones that are syncable. So I'll just have to download applications that I need for my photo editing, because I can't use iMovie because this is a Windows device. And Android and Windows, iPhone don't mix, I guess. I don't know why. That's not part of my knowledge, but they don't mix. So
Oil and water.
Oil and water, that's apparently what it is. So
So
this is going to take a little while to update, so I'm not going to leave you guys hanging. This is just showing the computer. It looks like it's going to be really easy to use. I already can understand it. It's a really slick, smooth design. I just think it's going to like definitely jump up my YouTube game. You know?
Came from a slick, smooth guy. You're gonna get a slick, smooth thing, you know?
So, anyways, thank you, fancy friends, for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. Throw me a comment. Give me a thumbs up. Say what's up. Such a weirdo. I don't know why I had him even in here. It was like pointless, but you know. He wanted some airtime. He wanted to try to be, you know, in the video too, except he was just like Alright, bye everybody. See you bright and early tomorrow morning because I have a box from Paradise delivered, and boy is it a good one. So make sure you click that notification bell because the next video after this is gonna be dope. Yeah, bye guys.